Guys, what's going on? It's Sunday. That means, at least for right now, we're going to open another hobby box. This time of Then Now Forever 2018. This is one of the last two boxes I'd picked up in Allentown a few weeks ago. Still have a couple of other boxes, not of Then Now Forever, of something better. I'm not going to spoil what that is that I got from the visit to my cousins. So looking forward to opening those. Also wanted to update on, basically general update on blasters. I will continue to do the blaster stash videos, but they will probably still be coming twice a week because I was waiting to see the new Terminator movie yesterday. Enjoyed it. There was a Target across the street. Was actually going to try and do a video, but it didn't work out. And I went to the Target and I bought a lot of blasters. A couple of the SmackDown Live ones, even though I'm not too high on this set or that set from what I've seen, I decided to buy one anyway, or a couple, and I basically refilled my women's division, which I was getting a little low on, and it has turned around, so I've decided to give it another chance in that respect. Alright, let's see if we can... It's like I don't want to go through these cards too fast because I don't want to miss a parallel. But at the same time, this set is a year old. This is actually the set that SmackDown is replacing. I believe that's a bronze. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with the glare there, but you guys can see 25th anniversary of Raw. Nice Jake the Snake there. That's basically how I remember him first coming in, DDTing Ricky Steamboat on the floor on Saturday night's main event. It's on the network, seek it out. I remember actually seeing that at a sleepover at a friend of mine's house when it happened. It's probably 86, I believe. In fact, I know it was 86. There's our regular Jake the Snake. The other one, I guess, was a bronze. Sorry, I don't have much else to say. Been kind of slow weekend and slow in general. Obviously, I guess the other thing is the crown jewel. I actually didn't see it all the way through. A lot of controversy involving the flight, and if it was mechanical issues, or there's another situation there. And if there's another situation there, as is being reported in some outlets, where there was money owed and There's kind of a beef Vince. I would say use that to, hey, we got Sting regular and Sting bronze. Yeah, I'd say it's time to get out. If they're not paying and they're afraid of, WWE was afraid of breaking some kind of contract, well, if they're not paying, then they're not honoring the contract. And I think it is time. I understand the money, but I think it's time to get out of Saudi Arabia. They certainly got enough money coming in from the TV deals. Yeah, almost forgot this set has a ton of bronze. Well, we're getting down to only a few packs. No hits yet. Got that Randy Savage card I liked. Actually have one of those on display with my Macho Man stuff. Yeah, and I guess the only other thing is keep checking out WrestlingMuseum.net and the social media. I continue to add things. I think this is going to be our numbered parallel. 17 out of 25 Roman Reigns. So no missing it that time. Well, 6 packs left. And it looks like, I'm not even going to try and hide it. The hit is a John Cena Matt Relic Royal Rumble 220 of 299. Certainly not what I was hoping to get. A bronze Alexa Bliss. Maybe we had an extra number card in there, but we do not. 2 packs left. Well, I guess I revealed the autograph. Pretty good one, though. Silver Sasha Banks. 24 out of 25. So the auto was a good hit. And we only have 1 pack. Okay, so I would say, really good auto. Not so good on the relic. Numbered cards to 25. So kind of a mediocre box. But that's that. I'll be back Tuesday with more Blaster Stash. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back.